This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to add gradient color to text in Canva. So I'm right here on a presentation, a project that I have open here in Canva. Now I'm going to select this text right here, this heading. Now what we are looking for is right here on desktop, we have the sidebar. We're going to come down to apps, and we have apps right here. Now I have already searched for this one, but I'll just back out of that. So toolbar, in this sidebar right here, we're going to click on apps. Now that will open up the apps menu. Now the one that we're looking for, as you saw just a second ago, is type gradient. So I'm just going to paste that in. We will search for that, and you will see that this app, the type gradient app, appears here. We click on that one, and then we click open. And just like that, the type gradient app opens. So apps are super helpful within Canva. Now there's lots that we can do. I won't go through absolutely everything here, but there's a few different gradients that we can try. You can see there's a little preview here as you click around, and you can start to manipulate your design. And let's just try this one. And then when you're happy with that, when you've there are tons of different options to go through, everything from like a linear gradient, there's radial, there's a cone, the mesh one is quite cool as well. So you can actually add your text right here. So if we wanted to use that objectives and goals one, so you see right there, we can change things like the spacing, the alignment, the actual font itself as well. Let's go with accelerator. So I'm just moving these around just to change things. So you see how you can do a lot. We can outline the text as well if that's what you're going for. Change the thickness. So once you're happy with that, like I say, you can change your colors here. And there's just a ton that we can do. You can click on add to design, and there you go. So we've got objectives and goals with the gradient text. We can change the size and stuff just like you'd normally do by dragging around in Canva. So hopefully you found this video on how to add gradient color text to Canva. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like